Today we have a case study on a problem statement of student like to spend their days. So what we will do is collect the data, analyze it, and to understand how statistics help us to draw the conclusion. So the problem statement in the case study is how student likes to spend the day nowadays. As you are all students, we will add a case study on how to spend your days. Talk about what statistics is really because we are going to be doing a case study on that. So statistics is nothing but collecting the data and analyzing it, interpreting it, and by doing all those things, we will come to a conclusion on how to go about. So statistics, we may not notice it, but everywhere you go, there are statistics. Right from solving the problems, understanding the patterns, and how to analyze it. So everything needs statistics. So for our today's case study, we are going to be seeing about the students based on the statistics. So this problem statement, what we will do, we will take the statistics of 30 students. As a students, what you are doing in your daily life, day-to-day life, how will you spend your time? Playing, studying, seeing mobiles, then other activities. So we will start our case study by collecting the data for the 30 students. So, so now we're now done. So as as ma'am said, we have collected data from 20 students about the playing games, studies, and other activities. So from the collected data, we have created a graph and a more graph later. So from that graph, we can see that most of the using their hours in sleeping and studying. Around 8 hours for sleeping and 5 hours for studying, and the remaining hours. So from it, what we see that if we make it as a picture or log graph, we get to know about the easy, we can understand what the data we have. So that's why the graphs are very important. A bar graph, pie chart, the internet is to analyze the data. So these are the important things here. In our study, we just formatted called method called the measure schedule. It is we calculate mean, and median. Actually, mean is calculated by average, which is adding all the human errors and divided by the how many values in it. And say median, arrange all the numbers in order and pick the middle. Same as mode, real pick the number which is most often. So from this, let me say example, which is 7 to 8 hours of students taking their sleep. So that 7 to 8 hours is actually in here. So from this 8 hours here, so based on this, the students get correct sleep cycle, and 8 hours is very enough to get students sleep. And also the Wi-Fi is really helpful to understand how the students sleeping in their. So I'm going to explain about how the case studies are involved in this chat. So how the people are engaged with the play or mobile phones, and how the people are engaged with the how they spending times in studies or some work. So these are related to these tactics. So the main case studies are involved in these tactics. So I'm going to tell about how statistics plays a crucial role in the student's life. So statistics is a tool which used to analyze the student's data as well as academics, and also used to track the student's data record, etc. And the statistics is not just a number; it represents our step. So as the problem statement for conclusion, we got that most of our students spend their time sleeping and studying. So that is they are taking a balanced life. But if they reduce the time in saying mobile and other thing, they may also help for them. Thus, the statistic draws the conclusion for this problem statement is that most of our students spend their time in studying. So they are doing that job. Explanation for a case study. For 30 student data collected was they spend the time for sleeping is 8 hours and for studying they spend 5 hours. For screen display, it is 3 hours, and other activity, it is 2 hours. So these are the categories students spend their life, time in a day. So we will represent this as a bar diagram. So in bar diagram, we are taking x and y axis. The x axis denotes the next sleeping, studying, and rest. The y axis denotes the hours what they spend. So from sleeping, it's the most number. The 8 hours they are sleeping. So in bar diagram, we have to represent the thing like this. Next, studying. For studying, they are 5 hours. So they are studying for 5 hours. Among the people, they are for the average, they are studying 5 hours. The screen display. More, they are using their mobiles on 3 hours. So other activities like playing and etc. So they are using their hours like 2 hours. So as a conclusion of the case study or the problem statement we took this, how students spend their time in a day. So the conclusion, we got the data and we use the statistical tools for our analysis. And final conclusion, we got the student spend most of the time sleeping and studying, which is a balanced right there on TV.